Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about a novel that you like very much. You should say what it was about. When did you read that? What is the main story of the novel? And why did you like the novel?
One of the Indian novels that I like very much is The God of Small Things by Arundhati Roy. I read it during my college years and it had a profound impact on me. The novel is set in the southern Indian state of Kerala and follows the story of fraternal twins, Estha and Rahel, and their family. The story is told through a non-linear narrative, jumping back and forth between different time periods. The main themes of the novel include love, loss, betrayal, casteism, and social inequality. The story revolves around the death of a young girl and how it affects the lives of the main characters. The novel also explores the impact of colonialism on Indian society. What I loved most about the novel was its lyrical prose and vivid imagery. The author has a unique writing style that draws the reader in and creates a sense of immersion. The characters are complex and flawed, and their relationships are portrayed in a nuanced and realistic way. The novel also provides a powerful commentary on the social issues facing India, including casteism and the legacy of colonialism. It made me think deeply about these issues and encouraged me to be more aware of social injustices in my own community. Overall, The God of Small Things is a beautifully written and thought-provoking novel that captures the essence of Indian culture and society. It is a must-read for anyone interested in Indian literature and culture. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.